even every Jew is mishugas. So once I was invited time to time to friends when the Pesach period, and I went to friends. And do you want to eat something? They prepared me matzot with ham inside. I don't eat. That's one thing I don't eat ham. I don't eat pork. Even I don't eat kosher. But I told you everybody they have their own mishugas. It's terrible. I remember once I was in Italy for my business, and I have a friend. He became a friend. He's a supplier, and invite me at home. It was also the Pesach period, and he told me, he wanted always. I don't know if it was for the business. He told always that he was a Jew. Invite me at home for dinner, and he told me, I know that it's Pesach, so I didn't put you bread on the table, but I eat pasta because he was preparing pasta, and I had no choice.